Hello. In the past I mostly made knife videos, but I also want to do some multi-tool videos from now on, and let's begin with the smallest in class, namely the Leatherman PS, a Style PS, and the Leatherman Squirt PS4. They are very similar in size and they come in different versions, and I chose both the Style and the Squirt in the versions with scissors, hence also the name. Style PS stands for pliers and scissors, same as Squirt PS4. Okay, let's open it up. You can see they have basically the same spring assisted pliers, and they also have the same scissors. Where's the scissors? Here. Not only are they similar, they are actually identical, and you can see it by the fact that when you open the scissors on the Style PS, you can see that the nail nick that would aid or help in opening it is on the wrong side, because when it's shut down you cannot access the nail nick. It should have been on this side, but it's a copy or identical version from the Squirt series. So Leatherman wanted to save some money and put the same scissors here. And I must say that all the tools in both of these Leatherman are really only for light duty use. On the Style you have some small tweezers, which is a nice addition, and this tool is a nail file and can also be used as a screwdriver. Yeah, and a cap lifter, button opener and carabiner all in one. And this is pretty much it here. While on the Squirt you have a small blade, which is totally unnecessary, in my opinion at least, because as you may have seen in my previous videos, I'm a knife guy and I always carry a dedicated knife, and such a small chisel ground knife with, I don't know what steel it uses, probably some version of 420 or something similar. It's not really that great, and it can only get you in trouble. So that's why I slightly prefer the Style, because it doesn't have a knife, and if you're in a surrounding where knives are not allowed, you can still carry this. And technically you're not allowed to use this even if it's just a tiny little knife. I mean, try hijacking a plane with such a small knife or something. Yeah. You've seen the scissors. Comes also with a small screwdriver and another screwdriver, thicker, and cap lifter. Really just tiny little tools. And in general I would say, yeah, these are classified as keychain tools, yes, and I use them. And recently more the Style PS, but I would classify them as the better than nothing class, because when they are on a keychain, and I don't usually carry a bigger multi-tool on my body, so if I need to do something I check if I can do it with this tiny one. If not, then I go back to my car or wherever I have a more dedicated or bigger multi-tool or dedicated tool. And for comparison, here's the Juice, which is one step up from these keychain tools, and here we have the Wingman. And actually the Wingman, the pliers of the Wingman are the size of the squirt when it's collapsed. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.